Hello guys, so I got some new keyboard gears and I want to do the unboxing with you all. So let me just put aside my cassette keyboard. So the first thing I got is these Akko CS piano loop switches. Um, this look very nice. The first impression, wow, it's black on white type of theme. So these are the switches. Looks okay, and I will test these in future videos, in my YouTube videos or in YouTube shorts. So yeah, let's keep them aside and focus on the next big thing, which I'm very excited to unbox, and it is my new custom keyboard bare metal kit. It is from Akko 5075 and it's dark night color. Yeah, so I have to slide it out like that. This thing is heavy. It's heavy. Yes, let's open it. So first of all, it comes with the dust cover. Yes, I was looking to buy a dust cover for recently, and there you go, free PE foam. Okay, Akko manual, user manual. Okay, I will read it later. Some kind of card, and I think, oh, okay, this is like that. We have lots of things here. Extra silicone caskets, a premium switch puller. I needed this thing. Keycap puller and normal, USB-C cable. I don't want it. I only want uh, this thing. And yeah, let me put it aside and focus on the bare metal kit. Okay, so here it is, the bare metal kit, the P-foam, one of the necessary things in keyboard modding. I will keep it very safely. So, oops. So yeah, it has a knob. The knob has some tactility. Okay, it is not smooth. It has some tactility. It's full black, and I have a keyboard. Sorry, not keyboard. I have a keycap incoming in few days, which is like blue on white. So I think those keycap will look nice in this keyboard, and it has a double, two levels of these things. I don't know what they are called. So this is level 2 and this is level 1. Yeah, level 1 is what I prefer the most. It has Akko stabilizers. The stabilizers are looped, factory looped. Yes, I can see the grease. I can easily see the grease. Yeah, the stabilizer looped. Okay, nice. And yeah, it has plastic. It came with polycarbonate plate. I thought Akko 5075s comes with the aluminum plate, but it came with the polycarbonate plate. Maybe these are the new batches that came with polycarbonate batch. I don't know yet. I have to open this thing up, and then I have to figure it out. Let's check the RGB while we are here. Let me just open my USB cable. Okay, it's side mounted. I like it. Ooh, very bright with RGB. Wow, the RGB is very bright, to be honest. Yeah, very bright. Um, it also has a tri mode, you know. It has USB, Windows, and Mac. So I'm running a Windows, so USB would be just fine. Oh wow, look at this RGB. Oh, it also has side RGB. Yeah, I was really interested in this. Sorry, I was really interested in the side RGBs. Um, so yeah, I will in the future videos. I will build this thing with Akko CS piano. Or okay, with my Akko CS pianos, and these are 45 CS piano switches, and I think this is 87 keys. So I will, add some baby kangaroos from my CIY Tester 68, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. Thank you.